In this video, you are going to learn how you can remove tags from Facebook. First, we have going to follow our Facebook, and once we are here, we are going to go directly to upper right corner where the three lines are located. When we are here, we are going to slide to where it says configuration and privacy, or settings and privacy. Here we go to where it says, and once we are going to slide to where it says labels, or we can also find in with activity. Privacy shortcuts. Hang on a second. We see many options and open and up activity log. When we are in activity log, we are going to go to where it says your activity on Facebook or your Facebook activity. Let's see where it says activity, it's which your target manage. Post activity your targets in. Manage tags. And here you can see the tags that you have and for a long time, and you can select one to delete all, and we see all selects and remove tags. You want to select all above from a specific area in filters. Place the category, and it says easy to give this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching us.